Okay, make it come back now.
Still working that part out.
It's spinning.
Yeah, this now happened last time.
Oh no, run!
It bounces. Okay, the camera can't see it anymore.
Push the face on parts too.
Oh, really? I'm filming this because it's not flying, so if I don't film this, I'm not going to film anything.
The one flight of Rowan's helicopter.
Well, was partially successful.
No, it flew.
Successful for a good 20 seconds. After that, not so much.
I think it's just too light. It's the wind anyway.
Yeah, but if you make it heavier, it won't fly.
Yeah.
It's shaking.
It's shaking back.
Oh. Yeah, that's what the other one's doing.
Uh-oh, it's in trouble. Looks like a fly you swatted and like it didn't quite die. It's, you know, it's trying to live but not quite. It's like one of those. Fuck me right. And one of the rotors is over there.
I'm going to suffer the other one. The other one actually did a couple of those and it was fine.